Welcome, friends. So, how would you buy MOONBUD? Pretty easy. To start, you need two things. You obviously need BNB, which is the main currency of the Binance Smart Chain, where you can buy MOONBUD from. To get BNB, you just go to one of the major exchanges, Binance being probably the easiest choice. Make an account and change your fiat money to crypto. And then you will need a wallet to transfer that crypto to so that you can actually use it. There are several wallet providers. My wallet of choice will be MetaMask. You can just go simply add that extension to your browser. Links will be in the description. And there you have it, you have your wallet. Although you will need to add the Binance Smart Chain to that wallet because it's not customary, it's not in the custom networks. To do that, just go to any tutorial or just the main documentation, get on MetaMask, custom RPC, network name, whatever you want it to be, then the new RPC URL, that's that one, or all of the other ones below. Chain ID of the main, it will always be 56. The currency is BNB, the block explorer is BSC scan, but that's not too important for you probably. Save that, and you change to the BSC mainnet. And now you can interact with your wallet. Hopefully you already have some BNB, because that's what you need now. Next thing is you need to get the buy links on Pancakeswap. To get that, you'd simply join the MOONBUD group with that link, which will be posted in the description. And there you go to pinned messages. Look for that one. And there's all information you will ever need. You can get the contract and you can get the buy link. You simply press that, accept this warning, then you connect your wallet and here you go. You can easily buy MOONBUD. You will just need to type in the amount you want, set the slippage to 6% because it's small cap and the token processes 5% on each transaction, so you need to increase it above this amount or it will always fail. If you have done that, you can simply press on swap, confirm swap and accept it. Transaction submit. Now you need to wait until it's actually minted by the block. And after a few seconds or moments, you should see that message pop up, which confirms, yay, you have bought MOONBUD. Another problem new users often have is that they cannot see their token in their wallet. To fix that, you simply need to click on add token and need the token address. Again, the token address you can get from the wonderful Telegram group. Simply press on contract and wait until it loads because, you know, network providers can be shit. And there you see the contract address. You are going to copy that, go into your MetaMask or other wallet provider, click on the add token function, go to custom tokens, paste that and then press next. Usually you can press next, but not if you already have added that token in. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching the tutorial, I suppose.